Hello friends, today we are back in our channel Super Maths and Rocket Science. So last day we have revised few topics like what is set, representation of set in the three types of forms, descriptive form, roster method and the set builder form. Then we have also studied about the description of the different types of sets like finite set, infinite set, empty set and etc. So today we are gonna begin with a new topic of sets, is operations and Venn diagrams. So this is a very important topic on which the sets chapter lies out. Now at first we'll begin with the topic what is operation subset. So at first before we beginning with the operation subset, let me give you examples. Suppose we consider two numbers say 4 and 10. Now we multiply them 4 into 10 and we get a number 40. So here the two product here we are beginning with two numbers 4 and 10, whereas we got a single number 40. So sets are also like that. So there are various operations of set where two or more sets combine to form a single set. Now just as we can find the difference between two numbers, we can also find the difference between two sets. This is justified. How? Suppose we do 10 minus 4, so we get a number 6. So this is the difference between two numbers. Now what do we mean by difference between two sets? That we have to understand. Suppose I consider a set A, it is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and another set we consider as C, which I take 3, 4, 5 and 6. So now what is the difference? So if I consider A minus C, then we will consider the members of A which are not members of C. So here answer will be 1 and 2. So this is the difference between two sets. Now other examples of operation sets of sets are union sets, disunion sets, so on. Now what is Venn diagram? This is a very important point. A Venn diagram is also called a set diagram. So what is a set diagram? So Venn diagram represents the sets in a diagrammatic form. So Venn diagram helps us to see and understand the sets much easier. So Venn diagram not only can represent set but also it shows different set operations such as intersection of sets, union of sets and also difference of sets. So this is important. Now, what are the types of sets to execute these operations? So as you can see in the diagram that we have considered two sets, one one orange color set and another is a blue color set. So what is the union? So union means actually the two members combined sets. Now remember, suppose I consider two sets A and B. So the members of A are 2, 3, 4, 5 and the members of B are 4, 5, 6. So 2, 3, 4, 5 members of A and 4, 5, 6 are the members of B. So now what will be our union set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the common members between the two sets will be considered only once, not twice, and other members will just write it down. So this is the union set. Now what is the intersection set? Intersection set means actually the common members between the two sets. So as you can see in the diagram. So again if I consider the set A equal to 2, 4, 5, 6 and set B equal to 4, 5, 6. So now the intersection will be actually 4, 5. So A intersection B equal to 4, 5. Now what is the except? So the except we learn in higher classes, but still we are giving you a bit of explanation regarding except. So actually except means the difference of sets. So suppose the orange color set we consider as A and the blue color set we consider as B. So whenever we do A minus B, we get the answer as the only orange part. That means we consider two sets like A and B, A equal to 2, 4, 5, 6 and B equal to 4, 5, 6. So the answer will be 2, A minus B. Now let's come to the next topic. What's the difference between union and the intersection sets? This is an important point. Now what do I mean by union set? As I told you before, the union of two sets contains all the elements contain either sets, or it can be both sets also. Like I've given an example previously, one more example I'm giving you, it will be clear to you. So here we consider set D is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another set we consider is E, which will give 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what will be the union? D is D union E. So D union E is equal to, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the common members will be represented only once, not twice, and other members will be just copied. I think that it will be more better if we write the union sets in a numerical form, means in a sequence form, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is not that we cannot write in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, but it is better to write in a sequence form. Now, what is the intersection set? As I told you before, the intersection of two sets contains only the elements common in both sets. So other elements will not consider, only the common elements will consider. So if I can take the examples D and E, so D equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and E equal to 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So intersection A is to D intersection E will be 4, 5 and 6. So this is the union in intersection sets. Now you can see in diagram the representation of union and intersection set in Venn diagram. So you can see it easily. So if I consider a set A in blue colors and B in pink color, so the middle part, the common part will be the intersection set between A and B. So A intersection B. And another diagram also you can see in the right hand side the union set. So if I consider A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 3, 4, 5. So A union B, as I told you before, it will contain both all the members of the sets A and B. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The last topic of the day, what is the complement of a set? It is very important topic. So at first we have drawn two circles and a rectangle. So the two circles are the two sets and a rectangular portion is the union set. Now one example we are taking, union set equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And one set A is equal to 1, 2, 3. So now complementary set means the numbers, so the members, we can say in good words, the members which does not belong in the set A but it belongs in the set U, universal set U. So here the answer will be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these members will not lie in the set A. So also you can write in symbolically like A dash or A slash. So this is the complement of a set. One more example I can give you. Universal set equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and set D equal to 2, 3, 4. So again, it's very important to understand the formula U minus D. That means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 2, 3, 4. So answer will be 5, 6. So this is the complement of a set. Thanks a lot for watching. Everyone, please like, subscribe and comment our channel, and please watch our channel for further information. Thanks a lot for watching.